Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Curtashing Adventures. And for today's video, isasama namin kayo sa pag-visit sa isang Airbnb staycation location dito sa Pasay. This is located in Shore Residences. Malapit lang siya sa MOA. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Airbnb CC Staycation sa Shore 2 ng SMDC dito sa Pasay. So, ang room number is 0928. Nasa 9th floor siya. Tara, pasok tayo. So, upon entering guys, ito yung makikita ninyo. So, yung door niya is not smart lock yet, pero pinapaschedule na to na gawing smart lock. Manual key pa yung gamit niya at the moment. So, dito sa entrance, makikita nyo na yung kitchen. Fully equipped yung kitchen nila. So, meron na sila ditong stove. Meron na mga utensils na gagamitin para pag magluluto kayo. They even have the electric kettle here. Tapos, pwede din kayo dito mag-wash ng dishes sa sink. Provided na din yung kanilang dishwashing base. And dito naman yung dish rack. So, over here guys, makita nyo is the rice cooker. Tapos, they have another slow cooker here. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin. And then, dito naman sa baba, makita nyo is the trash can. And then, here is an open space kapag meron kayong kailangang i-store. Ito din is an empty space. So, dito sa drawer na to naman, you will see the tablewares. Ayan, makita nyo may mga glasses niya, may mugs. Tapos, they even have your plates, may bowls, tsaka spoon and fork na pwede nyo gamitin. Tapos, provided din nila yung mga pans para kapag magluluto kayo ng food nyo, available din siya dito. And here naman is the pitcher. Pwede kayong maglagay na pag magtitip na kayo ng juice or any drinks, pwede nyo siyang gamitin dyan. Provided din nila dito yung microwave oven. So, pagka meron kayong mga iinitin na food, very accessible siya. And of course, itong fridge. Pwede kayong mag-store ng mga baon nyo na food here. Dito naman yung CR guys. Medyo small lang naman yung CR pero very functional na kasi lahat na kailangan mo nandito na. They have a small sink here. Tapos may provided na din na washing machine. So if you need to wash your clothes, kung medyo longer yung stay nyo, very useful to kasi pwede kayong maglaba. And then they even have yung hair dryer. Tapos, over here naman is the shower area. Meron na silang hot and cold shower. Kaya mas maganda kasi even if maulan, malamig, pwede kayo mag-shower. And yung toilet nila guys, meron na sila ditong bidet. So, mas maganda kasi very useful yan sa ating mga Pinoy. Dito sa area naman na to, makikita nyo is like a rack. Pwede nyo lagay yung mga slippers nyo or shoes. And you can even hang some things here. Kami, we hang the key para mas madali namin makita. And this is the living area, guys. They have a very comfortable sofa here. Tapos, this is not just a sofa ha. Sofa bed siya. So, pwede nyo siyang i-convert na bed kapag gabi. And meron na din ditong provided na smart TV. Pwede kayong manood. Meron na silang Netflix, so pwede kayong manood ng mga movies and series while staying here. And very generous din yung owner ng staycation house na to kasi they provided mga small items or toys na pwede nyong gamitin. Just like this one, if meron kayong kids tapos magsuswimming kayo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Inflatable na salvavida and life jacket. Tapos, meron na din sila ditong air pump. And they even have water guns here. Pagka naman medyo older na yung kids nyo, they can play with Jenga. Ayan. And this one is spin the bottle. So, ayan, pwede nyo din siyang gamitin. Meron din sila itong squid game, and the other one is a Nerf gun na water gun din siya. Dito naman guys, is the foosball. So, over here naman guys, if you can see, this is not just a simple TV rack or patungan dito sa may TV area. Kasi meron siyang hidden na retractable table. Ganito siya guys. So, yan. So, that's the retractable dining table. Pwede mo siyang gamitin to eat your meals, or you can also use this as your laptop or your working table. And over here naman is the bedroom. Sliding door siya. So, maliit yung space na kinakain ng door. Ayan. When we open it, eto na yung bedroom natin. Inside the bedroom, meron silang queen size bed. Tapos, meron na silang guys amenity kit. Open natin kung ano nasa loob. So, meron na ditong toothbrush. Meron na ding shampoo. May soap and toothpaste. Provided na din nila yung mga bath towels dito. So, you don't need to bring one kasi meron na dito. Tapos, makikita nyo yung bed nila, yung comforter. Sobrang comfortable higaan. At meron din sila ditong full-size mirror para pang check ng iyong daily OOTD. Tapos meron na din sila ditong closet where you can store your belongings. So, meron ditong mga hangers, you can hang your clothes. Tapos, sa kabila naman, they have parang safe dito. Ayan. Meron din ditong window. Ayan. Ang view nito is yung sa labas lang ng condo. Makita niyo ibang buildings. Meron din sila ditong provided na dehumidifier. And also, meron silang high-speed na Wi-Fi. Tapos guys, meron din sila ditong mini speaker, wireless speaker na dual microphone. So, if gusto nyo mag-mini video kit time, pwede nyo tong gamitin. Dito located yung mga commercial parking. At the same time, dito sa commercial area, may mga restaurants and also a convenience store. Nakapag-prepare din kami ng merienda dito, care of Ashing. And of course, we were able to prepare our steak for dinner. And after naman ng dinner, we had our family game night. We played Jenga. And now it's time to sleep. Kaya naman yung sofa, kinonvert na nila into bed. In the morning naman, we were able to prepare our breakfast din. Good morning guys! This is our second day here at Sisi Staycation dito sa Shore Residences in Pasay. So today, we are cooking our breakfast. So ito yung breakfast namin. Meron na kaming sunny side up egg, tas nagluluto pa doon si daddy ng tocino namin and rice. So last night, ang dinner namin is steak. So, nagluto din kami dito ng steak. So far, okay naman. And maganda yung cookware nila dito. Tapos, meron din sila meron sila ditong exhaust. So, hindi mag-aamoy ulam or kung ano niluluto nyo yung room kasi meron silang exhaust doon sa lutuan. So, since meron sila mga pinrovide na mga games dito, we tried their Jenga last night. Nag-family game night kami kagabi. And we had a lot of fun playing Jenga. So, today, ang plan namin is to visit the swimming pool. Tapos, ang checkout time kasi is 12 o'clock. So, we'll just have a quick swimming. Tapos, check lang namin yung iba pang amenities. Sabi ng owner dito, ang amenities is located at the second floor. So, after breakfast, doon kami pupunta. So guys, when you're staying here sa CC Staycation sa Shore Residences, meron naman silang commercial parking. So, dun sa commercial area. Kaya lang, medyo costly yung bayad. Kasi 150 pesos per 2 hours lang. So, thinking of overnight, so nasa mga 22 hours kayo mag-stay. So, medyo mahal yung babayaran nyo. Good thing, yung owner ng CC Staycation House, she coordinated with other unit owners dito sa Shore Residence para makakuha kami ng parking kasi personally, wala siyang parking. So, yun, nakakuha kami ng parking which is only 700 pesos for the whole stay na namin. Malaking tipid yun kasi kapag ka doon kayo sa commercial area, nasa 2,000 siguro yung babayaran nyo kapag overnight kayo. And, ayun, dito lang siya sa Tower D1, sorry. Yun. So, mas madali siya, mas accessible kasi nasa baba lang yung parking area namin. When it comes to the amenities naman dito sa Shore Residences, guys, malaki yung pool nila. Merong children's playground. Tapos, meron silang mga, I think, 1, 2, 3 pools para sa Tower D. Tapos, meron pa doon sa Tower C. So, magkamukha lang naman siya. May mga slides din yung kanilang pool. And, malawak yung pool nila. 4 feet yung pool. So, hindi ka mag-worry na malulunod. So guys, ready na kami ngayon mag-check out dito sa Airbnb or sa CC Staycation dito sa Shore Residences. Overall, ang ganda ng stay namin dito kasi very comfortable. Maganda yung bed nila and they even have sofa bed. So, they can cater to 4 people. Kahit 4 adults kayo, kasya kayo dito. Tapos, all the things that you need para maging comfortable yung stay nyo is already provided. So, meron na silang towels, meron silang amenity kit, yung toothbrush, toothpaste, sabon. If you want to use a conditioner, just bring your own. Yung kitchen, fully equipped na. So, nakapagluto kami ng dinner, nakapagluto kami ng breakfast. Less na sa expenses nyo if you want to stay here kung mag-staycation kayo dito ng family nyo. Tapos, yung TV nila, smart TV na sila. Yung provided nila, smart TV. So, maganda makakanood kayo ng Netflix, yung YouTube, if you want to have movie night with your family while staying here. Yung Wi-Fi din nila is fast and reliable kasi nakakapag-upload kami ng videos, nakakanood ng videos. At the same time, meron kasing online class yung anak ko during Sunday morning. So, nakapag-class din siya dito while we're staying here. Perfect talaga ang CC Staycation Shore Residences for families, couples, or barkadas who want a city staycation with a resort vibe. And just like that, it's already time for checkout. Kaya naman ano pang hinaantay nyo, mag-book na din kayo ng next staycation nyo dito sa CC Staycation Shore Residences. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link nila. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have questions, you can comment down below. And don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, Queer Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!